Hi everyone, welcome again to English for Everyone. In this video lesson, we are going to look at the letter A and 5 different sounds it can represent. Let's get started. The first sound the letter A represents is eh. Examples: about, another, acknowledge, little, about, another, acknowledge, a little. So the first sound is sound. The second sound is ah. Examples: apple, alligator, exact, fast, dance. Apple, alligator, exact, fast, dance. Moving on to the third sound, it's ah. Examples: cat, hat, mat, van. Cat, hat, mat, van. A. Examples: able, April, ache, fake, waste. Able, April, ache, fake, waste. Awe. Examples: fall, call, tall, pull, walk. Fall, call, tall, pull, walk. Let's recap. About, it's the sound about. Another, acknowledge, a little. Apple, it's the sound. Apple, alligator, exact, fast, dance. Cat, it's the cat. Hat, mat, van. Able, it's the A sound. Able, April, ache, fake, waste. Fall, it's the fall, call, tall, pull, walk. Remember that the change of the sound A can change the meaning of the word. Let's see some examples. Can you read this word for me? Is it mate or mat? That's correct, it's mate. Mate means a friend. Mat is a piece of material that you put on the floor in order to protect it. So the meaning is completely different. Mate, mat. Another example, can you read this word for me? Is it fate or fat? That's correct, it's fate. Fate means something that happens to someone. Fat, someone who is fat weighs too much. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, listen, learn, speak, enjoy.